greater in sight. The movers grumbled, demanded their right. Mr. President, we're thirsty too. Vodka bribes for the moving crew. Halfway up they stop the show. 10 more euros or we don't go. The bookshelf waited, the bed stood bare. I paid the ransom right then and there. A new apartment, nothing works. No light, no water, only jerks. February cold, the pipes are cut. Welcome home to the broken hut. The plaster fell, the plumber came. Drunk on vodka, all the same. Fixed it, boss, he proudly said, while water flooded the house instead. The bathroom shocked me to 20 volts. Another wall gets torn, more revolts. Demolition men, chaos crew. Nothing that they say is true. We know it all, they proudly claim, but not a single tool to their name. Vodka breath and broken walls, electric shocks in the hallway calls. The wardrobe's just a dream, it seems. Welcome to the renovation of my applied. The tub cracked open, tiles have died. Too tall for the door, nobody cares. They cut it sideways on the stairs. A groove torn in the ceiling from it, and then they vanish bit by bit off to Spain for strawberries roll by roll. My wife's in the hospital, nerves all gone. The interest rates keep climbing on. We built a home, we lost it all. Vodka chaos, a crooked wall. Demolition men, chaos crew. Nothing that they say is true. Vodka breath and broken walls, electric shocks in the hallway calls. Selling the dream we planned to build, the renovation saga finally stilled. Now wide awake, the nightmares